Hello, welcome back. I hope all are doing well. This video is very informative. Please don't skip this video. Watch till the end. This topic is now how to think in English and how to speak in English. Whenever you cannot think in English, then actually how to speak in English? That is impossible. Please watch this video till the end. Hi, I am Susil. You watching Amar Susil? Those are new on my video, please like my video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon because you future get the type of more informative videos. Friends, actually what happened? Many people speak in English but can't think. They cannot think this level of sentences, cannot make. Actually what happened? I am sharing my strategy, then how can I think? Don't panic, it's always happening me. Whenever you are a beginners, you facing this type of problem, don't be panic, I am sharing with you. How can you able to think and speak in English? Because English communication is very popular and increasing day by day, and people are communicate to one to another is very popular, very demanding also, because we are go somewhere and others country you can survive them with the English language, very demanding. It is not only a language, you would also improve your jobs, improve your anything study, everything can improve, build your knowledge also. Please watch this video and sharing with you one by one some points. Whenever we are a beginners, please learn at least every day one vocabulary, only one vocabulary. Please learn every day. Don't focus the grammar because whenever a beginners, you don't frustrate them. Please at least one vocabulary, then you can this sufficient for you. Next, what to do? Those vocabulary you learn, please write down your notes and make you yourself and write down him, because you write down them because weekly at least revise them, and at least one time or two times, because whenever you revise this vocabulary and new words suddenly and quickly connected your mind, they can able to speak English, then you can able to think very easily, you can make the sentences very easily, acquainted them, then you cannot forget lifetime, you can achieve the lifetime these words because you revise them. Next, what to do? Keep practicing more and more, at least 30 minutes and more than 1 hour, because you practice the more and more, you quickly connected them, you acquainted and fluently come, because you are beginners, you are sometimes fumble also, your accent are not correctly, and you can fumble, but that you practice more and more, you must better performance. After that, read some newspaper and read some books also, because it also improve your pathetical power in brain power also, because brain is totally empty, cannot recognize the words, because you read them books and newspaper, you are recall him easily and improve your brain power also. After that, what to do? You complete them. Please keep practicing, connect with your friends and pick up your friends, connect with them, then you can practice very easily. Then after that, you can join online courses and know WhatsApp video. Use this strategy, that will help you lots. Then really helpful, please subscribe my channel and connect with me and put your comment, what's your opinion. Take care of yourself, take care, thank you, keep doing.